So I'm going to be going over using Binance US for beginners in 2021 and how you can make money with it. Now, the first thing I want to say is Binance is an awesome place to trade crypto, mainly because the fees are low, they're very reputable, and they've got over 50 plus crypto coins you can buy, sell, and trade here. Now, as I'm going over it, if you guys want to get started here, check out some other good crypto apps and exchanges. I'll have some bonus and sign up links in both the description and comments. And if you could smash a like button on this video, I would definitely appreciate it. Okay, so currently, I've got a little bit under $2,000 in my account. Wanted to pull that up real quick. And they have some cool features on here that make it easy to buy if you're not used to using charts. So there's basically a buy feature here where you can pull up the different coins. There's a sell. You can also convert, and then there is a recurring option on here for buying, which is pretty cool. Now, the thing that's awesome though about Binance is just the fees. You're looking at 0.1 to 0.5% for buying and selling, which is extremely low. And that's one of the best reasons I would say to use Binance US, is because it's very cheap compared to a lot of other exchanges out there. And then, of course, you're going to have charts for trading. Now, the cool thing too is that this is going to look exactly the same if you're using your mobile phone to trade. They've definitely got one of the best apps out there. It's pretty comparable to using Coinbase Pro, which I also use, but just kind of showing you some of the charts here. So they've got two different ways that you can pull up charts. There's a basic and advanced feature. Now, to make money on Binance US, obviously it should be pretty simple, but you want to be buying coins when they're going down, not when they're going up. Now, I'm going to pull up an example here of Bitcoin Cash for you guys, but you can kind of see when it was going up a little bit here in the green in kind of the beginning of the week, then it went down in the red. You want to be buying when crypto's going down, right? That is the most important thing. And then, when it goes up a little bit, typically what you want to do is sell when it's going up 5, 6, or 7%. It's called swing trading, but that's a way that you can make money trading crypto in the short term. You can also hold for the long term, but you're not going to be able to compound your gains, as quickly as swing trading. Now, swing trading is not day trading, guys, so just remember that. And also look a little bit into using stop losses, which is a very powerful thing that you can do. I kind of just wanted to pull it up, but let's say you bought Bitcoin Cash at 450, it went up to, or 400, it went up to 480, and then you set a stop loss at 450. That helps you lock in gains, and that's really important when it comes to making money in crypto. You got to get used to using stop losses. They're just very important. But bottom line, guys, if you're a beginner and you're using Binance US, it is very user-friendly. It's very easy to get started and figure out. And you can watch previous videos on the channel of me using Binance US. But I do want to wrap things up here too, giving you some recommendations for coins. This isn't financial advice, but I do think these coins would be good to get into. The first being Ethereum. Now, the reason I like Ethereum is because it's got a lot of room to go up right now. And then, of course, I also like Bitcoin Cash. I actually bought $50,000 worth of Bitcoin Cash recently. So, I wouldn't be recommending these coins also if I didn't really own them, or at least thinking about owning them. But yeah, Bitcoin Cash I also own quite a bit of, and it's not even close to its all-time highs. And I like OXT too. Orchid is another good one. But anyways, guys, that is going to be it. I hope this helped you out. Like I said, if you want to get started here or even learn more about using Binance US, I'll have some resource links in both the description and comments. Please smash the like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next crypto video.